I don't really care for watermelon, but I like this drink. La Boum. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a watermelon-based drink called La Boum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink, even if you don't like watermelon. La Boum was created by Svetlana Holz, and if I was going to say it properly, I should say her name very angrily because she's German. Svetlana Holz. She created this drink at Le Lion bar in Hamburg, Germany. And Le Lion is a French-style bar, so I should say that very snootily. Le Lion. Not bad. And this drink uses cachaça and watermelon, two things I don't use a lot in drinks. She created this drink in 2021 and it became wildly popular in cocktail enthusiasts in Germany. It hasn't quite caught on yet here in the States, but maybe it will. A note on the rum. This rum uses cachaça, and it really should be made with cachaça. If, in a pinch, if you have some rum agricole but no cachaça, try the rum agricole and let me know how it turns out. To make this drink, we are going to start with 2 ounces of our cachaça. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Pinch my thumb. 2 ounces of watermelon juice. 2 ounces, 60 milliliters. 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 3/4 ounces of 1:1 simple syrup. 3/4 ounces is 22.5 milliliters. And finally, 2 dashes of pimento bitters. 2 dashes is 2 dashes. Now I'm going to crush some ice using my ice crusher. I'll be right back with you. Ice crushed. I'm going to put that in the shaker. Good enough. I'm going to give this a flash shake. And I'm going to open pour it into my glass. And I don't know what the official glass is because all the instructions for this drink are in German, and I don't speak German. Ooh. Little left over. I'll drink that later. Straw. Where's my straw? Where'd my straw go? There's a straw. Under my crusher bag. Garnish. Mint. Slap that around a bit. Stick it in. And just for fun, I'm going to put a little watermelon piece in there. Not in there, but on there. If I can do it without spilling the drink. And that's it. La Boum. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. What is your favorite cachaça-based drink? I don't have a lot of them in my repertoire. That's a French word. I should say that French. Repertoire. I don't have a lot that I can make. Let me know. I would love to know what you make so I can try it too. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you'd like a t-shirt, feel free to contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media links, might as well follow me on those. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a thumbs up for a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything I do, and until next time, cheers.